So now let's start working with video layouts. So I'm going to go over here and you can see that this is the layout that I have. So what I'm going to do is here on the right side, you can see that I got a tab called layout, which I can use to manipulate many of my slides. So let's say I'm going to use full screen over here. And what I can do is I can add in photos or videos right here, as you can see. So I'm just going to use photos for now, since it's much more light right now. So I'm just going to go over here and click on this image. And once I click on that, since it is a full screen image right there, it actually is full screen. So I can go to layout, this is full screen. I can also go over here and I can add in text on top of it. So I'm going to add in TutorTube, just like that, TutorTube. All right, and there you go, that's the full screen. There's also split screen over here. So if I were to click on it, you can see that photo is on the left and TutorTube is on the right. Here's this swap item icon right here, and if I were to click on it, the items get swapped from left to right, just like that, according to what you want. So let's say I want TutorTube on the left to right here. There's also caption right here. So if I were to click on this, then caption actually comes up. So this actually now works like a subtitle and something. You also have title and text, and if I were to click on that, you have title and the text. So let's say I want to use this, so I'm going to add in a text called lessons at your convenience, right? So there you go, that's the title, TutorTube and lesson at your convenience, just like that. So let me start adding some slides. So I'm going to add another slide right here. I can work with text, icon, or images. So I'm going to just go for icon, and here I'm going to say that I'm going to choose the computer icon right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go layout, and I'm going to start working with split screen right here. So on the left hand side, there's icon and text that I added. So I can say something like learn anytime, anywhere, anyway, anywhere, just like that. Anytime, anyway, anywhere. Right, there you go. So this is the text I want to work with. So you can see that it says learn anytime, anyway, anywhere. And that's the icon to represent what I'm trying to say. So let's say I want to work with a caption as well. Let me add in another caption, and I'm going to choose a photo right here. So let's see, search for this photo. So this is the photo that I want to watch in, and I'm going to add in a text right here. So let's say I'm going to add in a text, learn at your own pace, right? And I'm gonna make this as a caption right here, just like that. And let's say I'm going to use full screen at the end. So you have this just like that. So let me add in another slide right here, and let me add in a full screen photo right here. I'm going to say wow. Let me search for wow images, and let's say something like this one, this picture. So let me make it full screen, just like that. And I'm going to say add a content text, explore and create. All right, explore and create. This is going to be full screen. So I selected different layouts, as you can see, and these are the layouts that I came up with. So you got from start to finish. And once I actually were to preview this, you'll be able to see how awesome it looks. Right, so that's how awesome it looks. So it got the animation and the information quite easily. I just made a few slides, and there you go, you have the information. So that is how you can work with different video layouts inside of Adobe Spark. So if you guys learned something, as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.